What's up, Levi? I saw that. And I knew you'd have your Bengals too. How's things been going? All right. Welcome. Friday Night Football. 8 Donruss hanger boxes. If you've been in my breaks, you know how much I like Donruss hanger boxes. Last year they were my favorite. This year, once again, they have a nice bundle of insert cards at the end. 4 rated rookies, 4 parallels, one of which will be a rated rookie. And I just really like Donruss hanger boxes, and hopefully you will know why after tonight. Yeah, you got a nice list there, Levi. I think you're going to get you some good cards tonight. For the new people, let me tell you a little bit about how I do things. I do show all cards, all 400. I call all players by name. I call all teams by name. All cards do ship. All rookies, inserts, parallels, and megastars will at least be sleeved up, if not top-loaded. Now, Donruss football, much like Donruss baseball, they do have some photo variations. Now, some product photo variations are really rare, really hard, SP, SSPs, all that good stuff. They're not super rare here in Donruss football either. I don't even know if they're rarer than the normal. It'll be any cards you see without a helmet on. Some of them will have COVID mask on. I will not call out variations because there will literally be 4 or 5 or 6 in each of these boxes. But hey, you get a Justin Herbert or a Joe Burrow or some of those bigger names without the helmet. It's nice to have 2 different cards of them other than one. These cards will be in the mail tomorrow. Got no breaks tomorrow night. Got a big football mixer Sunday night, 2020 and 2021. The boxes will barely fit on the screen. If you check out my eBay page, you will see what I'm talking about. And then I'm going to be heading off to state volleyball next week, so I'll be out of pocket, hopefully, all week. I'll be back Friday night with some breaks, and then hopefully I'll be off Saturday. My team has a decent shot to play for a state championship, and I sure am hoping we can make it. It'll be tough, as always. And anyhow, yeah, Joe, we got a nice basketball mixer coming up later tonight. The teams are about halfway sold. There are some good ones out there. If you want to jump in that big basketball mixer, pick up some of those good teams at the back, like the Kings and the Thunder and all that. You will get free shipping if you have a team in this break. Here we go. 8 hanger boxes. I have yet to pull an Optic Rated Rookie Preview Blue out of a hanger box. And I don't believe I've pulled an autograph. So, hey, 8 boxes tonight. Maybe the odds are in our favor. I will take about the first half or so of this break. Actually, about the first 60 or 65%. And then we'll get to the good stuff in that pile laying down there. Jonathan Abram, Raiders. DK Metcalf, Seahawks. Jarvis Landry to the Browns. Jalen Reagor, Eagles. Raekwon Smith, the Bears. The Lawrence Taylor, Giants. We've got Cole Beasley, Bills. Stephon Gilmore, Patriots. Marquise Brown to the Ravens. Harrison Smith, Vikings. Mike Evans, Bucks. How about Taysom Hill, Saints. Christian McCaffrey, Panthers. Jalen Ramsey, Rams. Matt Ryan, Falcons. Justin Herbert for the Chargers. John Bostic, Washington. Philip Lindsay, he's in a Broncos uniform. He'll go to the Texans, whatever team is listed. Same thing with Bud Dupree to the Titans. Akwara, Lions. Marshawn Lattimore, Saints. Tom Brady. So we get Justin Herbert and Tom Brady in the very first box to the Bucks. Larry Fitzgerald, Cardinals. There's the example of no helmet, but I won't keep saying that. Tyrann Mathieu, Chiefs. Jalen Ramsey, Rams. Kyle Long, Chiefs. DeAndre Swift, Lions. Quinnen Williams, Jets. Dak Prescott, Cowboys. Laviska Shenault Jr., Jaguars. Taysom Hill again to the Saints. And Marvin Jones Jr., Jacksonville Jaguars. Now the first rookie is heading to the Jaguars. How about Travis Etienne Jr., Jacksonville Jaguars rookie? Next up to the Titans, Racey McMath, followed by a Ravens rookie, Tylan Wallace. And Dallas Cowboys, they got their guy, Micah Parsons. There you go, a couple of nice rookies. Here's the red parallels, press proof, Rob Gronkowski Bucks, Myles Gaskin Dolphins. We've got Kyler Murray to the Cardinals, and the rookie red press proof parallel going to the Texans, Nico Collins. What a box, and we hadn't even got to the inserts. Here we go. We start with the rookies. Who is it? Rondell Moore to the Cardinals, followed by Dominators, Matthew Stafford Lions. Another the rookies, Rashad Bateman to the Ravens. Power Formulas, Nick Chubb Browns. Now for some Elite. This is an Elite Series rookie. Oh boy. We have started the night in style. Trevor Lawrence, Elite Series rookie, Jacksonville. Here's Legend Series, Drew Brees to the Chargers. And highlights, how about Alex Smith, Washington. Retro Series, Peyton Manning to the Colts. And throwback, Aaron Rodgers, Green Bay Packers. That, my friends, is why I like the hanger boxes so much. Trevor Lawrence, shiny. Rashad Bateman, shiny. Rondell Moore, this guy's a stud, shiny. We've got a Nico Collins red parallel press proof. Kyler Murray without the helmet, press proof. Cardinals got a couple of nice cards here. And then Micah Parsons, Travis Etienne, Tylan Wallace rookies. We still got 7 of these boxes to go. Box number 2. Okay, Nelson Aguilar, Patriots. Patrick Queen, Ravens. C.J. Ham, Vikings. Leonard Fournette, Buccaneers. Jonathan Abram, Raiders. D.K. Metcalf, Seahawks. Jarvis Landry, Browns. We had this run earlier in the first box. Jalen Rigger, Eagles. Raekwon Smith, Bears. Lawrence Taylor, Giants. Cole Beasley, Bills. Carson Wentz, Colts. Javon Kearse, Titans. Mark Ingram, Texans. Ryan Tannehill, Titans. Barry Sanders, Lions. Taysom Hill, Saints. Christian McCaffrey, Panthers. Jalen Ramsey, Rams. Matt Ryan to the Falcons. Another Herbert, Chargers. Here's Brett Favre, Green Bay Packers. Villanueva to the Steelers. Josh Allen, Bills. Tom Brady, Bucks again. Larry Fitzgerald, Cardinals. Tyrann Mathieu, Chiefs. Jalen Ramsey, Rams. Kyle Long, Chiefs. DeAndre Swift, the Lions. Quinnen Williams, Jets. And Mr. Dak Prescott again. So most of the regular cards were just like box 1. Here we go with the rookies. Penei Sewell, rated rookie to the Lions. Next up, Vikings. Kenny Nwangwu. To the Chiefs, Noah Gray. And the last one to the Eagles, Kenneth Gainwell. Not a bad one right here. Red Press Proof, Marcus Peters Ravens, Peyton Manning Colts. Miles Jack Jaguars, the rated rookie. Press Proof Red to the Ravens, Rashad Bateman. Boy, the Ravens. 2 color cards of Rashad Bateman, 1 Tylan Wallace already. Here comes a Gridiron Kings, Nick Bosa to the Niners. Now for some elite rookie. Oh my goodness gracious. We go Trevor Lawrence in box 1. We go Mac Jones, Elite Series rookie in box 2. My goodness. Legend Series, John Elway Broncos. Elite Series, DeAndre Swift Lions. Here comes Bo Jackson Retro to the Raiders. The champ is here, Aaron Stinney to the Bucks, and Alvin Kamara Retro, New Orleans Saints. We have got 2 big names in the first 2 boxes. Overall, that box didn't have near as much, but it had good, including maybe the biggest name on the board. Number 3, still hunting that blue hollow. Elusive blue hollow. Devin McCourty Patriots, Justin Tucker Ravens, Randy Moss to the Vikings, Sean Alexander Seahawks, Drew Lock Broncos, Jimmy G Niners, Odell Beckham Jr. to the Browns, Travis Fulgham Eagles, Allen Robinson Bears, Evan Ingram Giants, Tre'Davious White Bills, Austin Eckler Chargers, Curtis Samuel Washington, Peyton Manning Colts, Taylor Heineke to Washington, Deshaun Watson Texans, Mike Vrabel Titans. We have Adrian Peterson Lions, Michael Thomas Saints, DeAndre Swift Detroit, Cooper Kupp Rams, Jalen Smith Cowboys, DK Metcalf Seahawks, Aaron Rodgers to the Pack, Tua to Miami, Ladarius Smith, Packers, Travis Kelce Chiefs, Shaquille Griffin Jaguars, Henry Ruggs Raiders, Joe Sherbert, Jags, Rob Gronkowski, Bucks, and Tom Brady to the Patriots. Oh, another good rookie to start us. It's another Rondell Moore to Arizona, followed by Bengals, Joseph Osai. Raiders, Trevin Morig. And Texans, Brevin Jordan. Red Parallels, hey, Cleveland Browns, there's Baker Mayfield. Panthers, Derek Brown. Henry Ruggs to the Raiders, the rookie. To Washington, De'Ami Brown. Okay, I think we have a portrait. I believe this to be a portrait. To the Rams, Jacob Harris portrait. Inducted, John Lynch, Broncos. Road to the Super Bowl, our second nice Baker Mayfield of this box. The champ is here, Tyler Johnson, Tampa Bay. Highlights, Tyreek Hill, Kansas City. Dominators, Tua, Miami. Action All Pros, Alvin Kamara, Saints. The rookies, Kyle Pitts, Falcons. Elite Series rookies. Okay, now we've got Trevor Lawrence in the first box. Mac Jones in the second box. Who's our Elite Series rookie in this box? It's another good one. Kadarius Toney, Giants. Legend Series, Joe Montana, Niners. Oh, and we got a white hot rookies. New York Jets, man. Zach Wilson. 3 boxes. 1 sweet rookie quarterback in each box. This is going well. I hope Justin Fields, Trey Lance, Kyle Trask are watching. That is pretty cool. 3 boxes, and we got those 3 guys. My. That doesn't mean I don't want Jalen Waddle and Najee Harris and Devontae Smith and Jamar Chase. I know there's more than quarterbacks out there. Well, we're fixing to open box 4, which will represent the halfway point. Darius Slayton, Giants. Devin Singletary, Bills. Jacoby Myers, Patriots. J.K. Dobbins, Ravens. Stephon Diggs, Buffalo. Hunter Henry, Patriots. Ndamukong Suh, Bucks. Adam Thielen, Vikings. Jamal Adams, Seahawks. Max Crosby, Raiders. Russell Wilson, Seahawks. Keenan Allen, Chargers. J.J. Watt, Cardinals. Calvin Ridley, Falcons. Austin Eckler, Chargers. Curtis Samuel to Washington. Peyton Manning, Colts. Taylor Heineke, Washington. Deshaun Watson, Texans. Mike Vrabel, Titans. Adrian Peterson, Lions. Michael Thomas, Saints. Barry Sanders, Lions. Marcus May, Jets. Baker Mayfield, Browns. James Conner, Cardinals. Joe Burrow to the Bengals. Dante Johnson, Steelers. Julio Jones, Falcons. Jalen Smith, Cowboys. DK Metcalf, Seahawks. Aaron Rodgers, Green Bay Packers. And the rookies, we start off with another good one. Going to the New York Jets, Elijah Moore. To the Lions, Penny Sewell. Hey, we got this card earlier. I bet we're going to recognize Kenny Nakwangu to the Vikings and Noah Gray to the Chiefs. Red Press Proof. Tiki Barber, Giants. Anthony Fisker, Titans. James Robinson, Jaguars. The rated rookie is going to the Panthers, J.C. Horn. Okay, we've got a Gridiron Kings. All-time Gridiron Kings, Joe Thomas, Cleveland. The champ is here, Levante David. Highlight, Chase Young, Washington. Retro Series, John Elway, Broncos. Dominators, Allen Robinson, Bears. The rookies, who's this one going to be? How about another Mac Jones? My goodness. Patriots paid up tonight, and it's paying off. Dominators. Justin Tucker, Ravens. Here comes the Elite. The Elite Series rookie card. Good one. Devontae Smith to the Eagles. Power Formulas. Tua to Miami, and we got one of those blues. We got the blue rated rookie hollow. First one for me to the Vikings, Smith Marset. And now I see how sweet these things are. My goodness. We are having a break. Congratulations to the Vikings. Blue hollow. Optic. Very tough card to get. Devontae Smith, not bad at all, Philadelphia Eagles. But it's our second Mac Jones. Shiny. Now I think y'all fully understand why I like these hanger boxes. I will be having another break like this probably next weekend. More hanger boxes. We got to keep pulling this heat. Well, that was a great first half of the break. Could we somehow have the best half looking at us in these boxes? Jordan Poyer Bills, Devin McCourty Patriots, Justin Tucker Ravens, Randy Moss Vikings, Sean Alexander Seahawks, Drew Lock Broncos, Jimmy Garoppolo Niners, Odell Beckham Jr. Browns, Fulgham to the Eagles, Allen Robinson Bears, Evan Ingram Giants, DJ Moore Panthers, Cam Akers Rams, Hayden Hurst Falcons, Keenan Allen Chargers, J.J. Watt Cardinals, Calvin Ridley Falcons, Austin Eckler Chargers, Curtis Samuel Washington, Peyton Manning Colts, Taylor Heineke Washington, Darnell Savage Jr. Packers, Josh Jacobs Raiders, DJ Chark Jaguars, Alvin Kamara Saints, Miles Jack Jaguars, Joe Namath Jets, Zeke Elliott Cowboys, Derrick Henry to the Titans, Michael Gallup Cowboys, Patrick Mahomes, Kansas City with his mask. Jamison Crowder Jets. Now for the rookies. We're back to the Eagles again. Another Kenneth Gainwell. There you go. Next up to the Chiefs, Nick Bolton. Steelers, Pat Freiermuth. And Colts, we have Kwity Paye, red press proof. Marquise Brown Ravens, Jeff Okudah Lions. Keelan Cole Jets, the rookie to the Bengals, Joseph Osai. Portrait time. Who's this portrait? It's going to the Lions, Amon-Ra St. Brown. Good player right here. Dominators, Derrick Henry to the Titans. Action All-Pro, Quentin Nelson to the Colts. The rookies. Amon-Ra St. Brown. You think this is the Lions box right here? Elite. Oh, let me turn it the other way. Legend Series, Warren Sapp. Bucks. Elite Series, Eddie George Titans. Power Formulas, Josh Allen to the Bills. Inducted, Peyton Manning Broncos. Retro Series, Warren Moon to the Oilers. That will go to the Titans. Throwback, Allen Robinson, Chicago Bears. First pack that didn't give us a monster hit. We did get a couple of Amon-Ra St. Browns. So the Detroit Lions won that pack. Other than that, that was by far the worst of our boxes. But we still got 3 to go. We just need Justin Fields, Trey Lance, Kyle Trask would be nice. Still hunting Najee Harris, Jamar Chase, Jalen Waddle. Josh Jacobs Raiders, Fred Warner Niners, Von Miller Denver, Jalen Hurts Philadelphia Eagles, Tariq Cohen Bears, Kenny Galladay Giants, and Mark Andrews Ravens, Patrick Peterson Vikings, Rob Gronkowski Tampa Bay, Kenyon Drake Raiders, Jeff Okudah Lions, Mike Gesicki Dolphins, Teddy Bridgewater Panthers, Aaron Donald Rams, Buda Baker Cardinals, DeForest Buckner Colts, Chase Young Washington, Randall Cobb to the Texans, Fisker to the Titans, Amendola, Detroit, Malcolm Jenkins, Saints, Emmitt Smith, Cowboys, Joe Montana, 49ers, Devontae Adams to the Pack, Tyreek Hill, Kansas City, Adrian Amos, Packers, Brett Favre, Packers, Villanueva, Steelers, Josh Allen, Bills, Tom Brady, Bucks, Larry Fitzgerald, Cardinals, Tyrann Mathieu to the Kansas City Chiefs. Luke Farrell is our first rookie to the Jags. to the Ravens, another Rashad Bateman. Saints, Pete Werner. And 49ers, Trey Sermon. Red Press Proof, Joe Montana, 49ers. Joe Mixon, Bengals. Chenault Jr. Jaguars, the rookie to the Jets, Vera Tucker. All right, what do we have here? Is turned around. I thought we really had something, but it's not an auto. But we really do have something. Gridiron Kings rookies, Trey Lance to the 49ers. Yes, sir. There's one of the names. Still don't know why it was turned around, but boy, that's a nice one to get. Levi, I promise you, I'm not trying. Portrait time, Washington, Jarrett Patterson. The champ is here, Shaquille Barrett. Highlight, Russell Wilson to the Seahawks. Retro, Terry Bradshaw, Steelers. Action All-Pros, Raekwon Smith to the Bears. The rookies, Dwayne Eskridge to the Seahawks. Dominators, Josh Jacobs, Raiders. Elite or Legend Series, Randy Moss, Vikings. Elite Series, Josh Allen to the Bills. And Travis Kelce, Power Formulas. So we got another big name rookie quarterback with some shine or color. Gridiron Kings don't necessarily have a whole lot of shine, but we're chipping away. Come on, Justin Fields. 2 boxes to go. Well, maybe he'll show up with some ink or something on him. Wouldn't that make up for it? I thought for a second when that card was turned around, we may be fixing to see what an autograph in a Donruss hanger looks like, but it fooled me. Travis Fulgham, Eagles. Allen Robinson, Bears. Evan Ingram, Giants. Tre'Davious White, Bills. James White, Patriots. Lamar Jackson, Ravens. Justin Jefferson to the Vikings. Debo to the Niners. Oliver Vernon, Browns. Fletcher Cox, Eagles. Austin Eckler, Chargers. Curtis Samuel, Washington. Peyton Manning, Colts. Taylor Henneke, Washington. Deshaun Watson, Texans. Vrabel to the Titans. Adrian Peterson, Lions. Michael Thomas, Saints. DeAndre Swift, Lions. Cooper Kupp, Rams. Julio Jones, Falcons. Zeke Elliott, Dallas Cowboys. Derrick Henry, Titans. Gallup to the Cowboys. Another Patty Mahomes to the Kansas City Chiefs. Jamison Crowder, Jets. Elway to the Broncos. Keelan Cole, Jets. And Odell Beckham Jr. TJ Watt to the Steelers. Devontae Adams to the Packers. And the rookies to the Bears. Well, it's not Justin Fields, but let me tell you, I watched this guy the other day, and he's pretty good. He may be a sneaky one right here. Khalil Herbert, rated rookie to the Bears. For the Seahawks, Dwayne Eskridge. Jets, Vera Tucker. And Rams, Jacob Harris, red press proof. Devin McCourty, Patriots. Malcolm Jenkins, Saints. Valdez Scantling to the Packers. And to the Saints, red press proof, parallel, Ian Book. There you go. Portrait to the Eagles, Kenneth Gainwell. Wow, here's a couple of nice cards. The rookies. Justin Fields. He heard me bragging on Khalil Herbert. He said, dude, I'm the man. And we just got another one. We have really done well getting all the big names. Here's a Patrick Mahomes, Dominators to the Chiefs. Another The Rookies. Michael Carter to the Jets. Legend Series, Peyton Manning to the Colts. Elite Series, Michael Thomas, Saints. Power Formula, Saquon Barkley to the Giants. And what do we have here? Tampa Bay Champion card. I hadn't pulled but just a couple of these. That's pretty cool. Road to the Super Bowl, Mike Evans to the Bucks. The champ is here, Mike Evans to the Bucks. And that's how that box ends. So Justin Fields is in the books. It's not too often you hit all of the highest priced teams. I know the Bengals were up there a little bit, Dolphins and Steelers, but the Patriots, the Jags, the Bears, the Jets, the Niners have all got their hits. Come on, last box. Let's help Levi out. He's taking a break. He's back. He's got a list of teams. But the one card he wants, I'll promise you, is Jamar Chase. Okay, Darren Waller, Raiders. George Kittle, Niners. Myles Garrett, Browns. Dallas Goedert, Eagles. Akeem Hicks, the Bears. Leonard Williams, Giants. Jordan Poyer, Bills. Devin McCourty, Patriots. Justin Tucker, Ravens. Randy Moss, Vikings. Sean Alexander, Seahawks. Jerome Baker to the Dolphins. Robbie Anderson, Panthers. Leonard Floyd, Rams. Russell Gage, Falcons. Joey Bosa, Chargers. A.J. Green to the Cardinals. Jonathan Taylor, Colts. Ryan Kerrigan, Washington. Jared Goff, Lions. Jameis Winston, Saints. Derrick Henry, Titans. Michael Gallup, Cowboys. Another Patrick Mahomes to Kansas City. Jamison Crowder, Jets. John Elway, Broncos. Keelan Cole, Jets. OBJ to the Browns. T.J. Watt, Steelers. Devontae Adams, Packers. Mika Fitzpatrick, Steelers. Lamar Jackson, Baltimore. The rookies, we start with Demetric Felton to the Browns. Next up, Jaguars, Trevor Lawrence. Number 2 on the night. Followed by Falcons, Kyle Pitts. And Bears, another Khalil Herbert. How about that? Red Press Proof, Josh Allen to Buffalo. I like that. Hayden Hurst, Falcons. Mari Cooper, Cowboys. And the Dolphins get Jalen Waddle. Wow. All-time Gridiron Kings, Joe Montana to the Niners. Retro, Luke Kuechly, Carolina. And a Joe Montana retro to the Niners. Road to the Super Bowl, Devin White to the Bucks. Dominators, Baker Mayfield, Browns. The rookies, this is where we need Jamar Chase. Najee Harris, somebody. Kellen Mond, Minnesota, not bad. Dominators, Julio Jones to the Atlanta Falcons. Elite Series, Chris Johnson, Tennessee Titans. Nick Chubb, Power Formulas, and a Christian McCaffrey retro to the Panthers. Well, that was a good break. I'm going to top load this Trevor Lawrence. I'm going to show you the top loaded cards. Got a huge stack of sleeve cards. But I got to get set up for this monster basketball mixer. So that'll be my recap tonight. Will be what I top loaded. And you're going to see most all the big name quarterbacks. All right, base Trevor Lawrence rookie. The rookies, Justin Fields. Gridiron Kings rookies, there's Trey Lance. The rookies, Mac Jones. Elite Series rookies, Devontae Smith. The Blue Optic Hollow, Mar Smith Marset. This is the ultra rare card out of the hanger. First one I've pulled. White Hot rookies, Zach Wilson. Elite Series rookies, Mac Jones. And Elite Series rookies, Trevor Lawrence. That was fun. I'll be back Sunday night with that monster football break. Some of you I will see shortly, I'm sure, in the basketball mixer. Y'all have a great weekend, and I hope to see you soon.